One of my harebrained ideas is to have a bit of sponge on the rudder, and I made sure that it's centre, so when it starts up it doesn't give you like a calibration warning or whatever. Anyway, the reason why I want to do that is that it will give me positive feedback or more resistance to push back. This actually helps me, so when I turn I get a bit of feedback to steady the rudder, and push more, I get more feedback pushing me back, and it'll keep the controls towards the middle where the lowest Expos values are there to give me better, smoother turns. More bigger values are at the end where the joysticks are hardest to push towards. The distance of the slower moving Expos and the faster moving Expos are less than 5mm. This means that I have to control the joystick rudder at least 3mm to do an orbit. But this gives me a smoother turn. I can still do my control stick commands, as you can see. Just need to push a bit harder to the corner, that's all. But generally this is a working invention that works for me. And I've also, if you can see this, lengthened my joystick. The joystick here is shorter than this one. This gives me like a lever, which is a longer lever here than it is here. The rudder is more sensitive towards orbits and turns than the forward and right control. Because the Expos here are at its lowest at 0.2, whereas it's not so much a hassle with the forward and right controls.